3p elements have higher electron affinity compared to 2p elements. Now let's see the pairs. So we have chlorine and chlorine, and this is the electron affinity value. So chlorine has higher electron affinity, and in the pair of oxygen and sulfur, sulfur has higher electron affinity. In the pair of nitrogen and phosphorus, phosphorus has higher electron affinity, and in the pair of boron and aluminum, aluminum has higher electron affinity. But the electronegativity trend is actually completely opposite. Now why so? What is the reason behind it? So to understand that, we have to consider these 3 points. So first one is 2p atoms have smaller size and greater electrostatic attraction. So the 2p atoms, they have smaller size. So smaller size means greater electrostatic attraction towards the incoming electron. But the extra added electron creates electron-electron repulsion. So although it has higher electrostatic attraction, that's why the electronegativity is more in case of 2p elements. But the extra added electron, if we add one extra electron, that creates electron-electron repulsion in that valence shell. Now the repulsion is large in second period elements, but the repulsive force is not so large in the third period element. Now in the third period element, in the 3p has bigger size compared to 2p, right? So when we are adding electron in the 2p, that time electron-electron repulsion is very high. But if we are adding electron in the 3p, that time it can manage, it is not that much high. The next point is possibility of delocalization of increased electron density in vacant 3d orbital reduces the repulsion for third period elements. Now in case of third period elements, they have a vacant 3d orbital. So the incoming electron, which is increasing the electron density, so the atom can pass that electron density to the vacant 3d orbital. And in that way, it can reduce the electron-electron repulsion, right? So that's why these 3p elements, they have higher electron affinity, whereas 2p elements, they have higher electron negativity. What is electron negativity? We are going to learn after this electron affinity, okay? So just remember, these 3p elements, they have higher electron affinity because the electron-electron repulsion is less, because the electron can be delocalized in the vacant 3d orbital. And these 2p elements, they have lower electron affinity compared to the 3p because of the increased electron-electron repulsion. Okay.
Hey genius, I hope you liked the video and the concepts are clear. So if you want to know more and if you want to learn more, you can go and check the periodic table and periodic trends folder. I have already uploaded 7 lectures on this topic. Please go and watch all those 7 lectures. I hope it will be very useful for you. And if you think these videos are knowledgeable, please share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Okay? Thank you. Bye bye.